here is our design from Etsy. You can purchase this at Vinyl Glitz LLC 2 on Etsy. And the colors we're going to be using are black, pink, and glitter silver vinyl. So we're just going to go up to make it and click that. And we're going to be sure to select the vinyl cut setting. Alright guys, so as you can see, the corners of my vinyl is curved. This is because I pulled it away from the mats incorrectly. So if you have your mat here, this is my silver vinyl, you want to flip it over and pull it to the back, and then let's move this out the way. You want to pull the mat away from the vinyl like this. That will prevent the corners from curving up. And I didn't get a chance to record it, but because of the curved corners, it made it harder for it to weed out. As you can see, it's kind of missing some spaces because of the curved edges, but that's okay. And now I have my silver, and for this black and pink vinyl, I got it from Amazon. I will link it down in the description. But for this silver glitter, this is Cricut brand vinyl. I will also link it down below as well. And for this Cricut brand vinyl, it is different than this. I had to recut it because the first one I had it on the wrong cut setting. And also this vinyl requires a stronger transfer tape. So if you're going to use the Cricut glitter vinyl, the permanent glitter vinyl, be sure to use the Cricut brand transfer tape or strong grip transfer tape. So now I'm going to attempt to weed this after I cut it. Okay, now this is cut better, and now that I have recut it and changed the cut setting, you want to be sure that you are using the cut setting for this specific vinyl, because if you just use the regular vinyl cut setting like I use for this one, it's not going to cut through. Also guys, I don't know if I've mentioned it already, but I will have this SVG in my Etsy shop, and I will link that down below so you can purchase it. Okay. Now I am attempting to peel this away like I did the pink. I would not recommend this method for layering vinyl, but because I'm using two different kinds of vinyl, I think that this method will be easier. So what I'm going to do is start with that edge and lay it on top right where I want it, and just pull it away. You want to be very gentle because the lettering is very thin. Okay. Now we just need the eye. I'm going to take my weeding tool, place it. Probably can't see it on camera, but let's zoom it in. And there it is, guys. I can't wait to put this on my tumbler. Just going to make sure it is sticking properly. And by the way, I'm using a clear skinny tumbler, and I got these also from Amazon, and I can link these as well. It was a set of 12, I think, a box of 12. Now for my transfer tape. Okay, so this silver, I probably shouldn't have stuck it because it is a different brand, and I'm not sure if it's going to stick with this transfer tape or remove easily with this transfer tape, but we're just going to try it just to see. And I also got this from Amazon, and I can link it as well. Everything that I use in this video, I will try to remember to link everything. And if I don't link it, just comment down below and I will be sure to add it. So now now we're going to flip it over and take our scraper tool and scrape the back. This is to be sure that the vinyl is transferred to the transfer tape and easily to remove the white backing. Now I'm just going to cut off the excess. Alrighty. Now we're going to remove the white. You want to do this slowly just in case your vinyl is not all the way adhered. So, see, like this right here. I'm gonna have to go back in. And let's just go around the edges one more time. There's more spots. Alright, and here is our decal. And now for our tumbler, I'm gonna go get some alcohol to wipe it down to be sure there's not any fuzz or anything on it. Alrighty, now we have that cleaned off. And you want to get something to prevent it from rolling. So I'm going to take my scissors and take some more scissors and put them on both sides so that it doesn't roll. Okay, now you want to be sure to center it. And I do realize that my vinyl is a little bit bigger. What you will see. Okay, now I need to lift it. Take it. And roll it. Now I'm going to take your tool and scrape it. And as you can see, it is a bit longer right here and here, but I'm going to take my X-Acto knife to cut off the excess. Here's my X-Acto knife. I always want to make it a little bit longer just to be sure that it's not too short, because if it's too long we can adjust it, but if it's too short then that's kind of more of a headache to fix than if it's too long. We can easily fix it. Also, if you do have one of these knives, please be very careful because they are very sharp. Let's cut. To make a line. As you can see, all it took was a little line and it's already just cutting so smoothly. That's how sharp it is, guys, so please be very careful. I'm gonna save that. Now we're gonna make a line here. Now we're going to begin to lift the transfer tape and hope that it sticks. Okay, that is overlapping, so and you want to be sure to try to get the air bubbles out. That way you can be sure that it's sticking. Okay, and now you can see there's kind of a gap. Well, you can't really tell on camera. Let's see. But there's a kind of a gap going down here. So we're gonna take this piece and add it to it to fill in the spaces. Let's cut it. Now we're going to take more of this that we saved and fill in the other spaces. Okay. Now we're going to take our tool and make sure to scrape. Okay guys, here is our tumbler. Alrighty guys, here is our tumbler all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on this video. I will see you guys in my next upload, and thank you all for watching. Bye.